Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to configure WSL to use Git with GitHub. So this is a brand new installation of Ubuntu. So I'm going to type WSL-list so you can see that it says Ubuntu default. Unfortunately, it does not say the version. I'm running the same command again with verbosity on, and it says that we have version 2. I believe that refers to the version of WSL. So now to get into this container, I'm going to run just WSL, and I'm in. Now I'm going to check the version of Ubuntu by typing lsb underscore release dash a, and it says we have Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. So that's great. So now I'm going to go to Chrome, and I'm going to click on the top right, and I'm going to find the settings button. So I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to scroll down to SSH and GPG keys. I'm going to click new SSH key in the top right. Now, what kind of key should we use? I went and I asked AI, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and it said ED25519 because it provides faster key generation, signing, and verification compared to older algorithms, and the keys are significantly shorter. Regardless, this is what they recommend. Then, here's a little information about ED25519. Somewhere it said what it stands for. It said like Edward something. Anyway, we don't need to know that. All you need to know is to run this command. ssh-keygen-t ed25519-c your email. So I'm going to go back to WSL. I'm going to paste that command in, but I'm going to change the email to john@fpganow.com. I'm going to save it to the default locations. No passphrase. All good. So now I'm going to go into the .sh directory, and I'm going to rename these files to suit my personal purposes. So I'm going to rename it to FPGA. I'm going to add the extension .fpga john. FPGA john. Oops. So now if I type ls-l, for the curious, you'll see that the private key only has user permissions, while the public key has group and world read. So what I have to do now is cat to the screen, the public key, take this as it appears, and just paste it in Git. I'm going to give a short description. I'm going to say this is ASUS 15, FPGA John. ASUS 15 because this is the ASUS NUC 15 J&K that I'm working on right here. I have to use the passkey. I don't have a passkey. I guess I should set one up. I'm going to use my authenticator app. So let's see. All right, got it. 328868. And I'm in. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a repository to clone. So let's see. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go your profile. And I'm going to pick, let's see, how about we do the, where's my POC project? I guess I haven't pinned it. I should pin it, right? I know why. Because it's in the org. It's not in my personal account. So I have to go to FPGA now org. And if I go here, there it is. Now notice, this is a repository with submodules. So when you clone submodules, I always put this warning at the top. So I'm going to go to the main branch. I'm going to copy the Git URL. Remember, this is a brand new installation, so I'm going to set things up the way I like. So I'm going to make a directory Git. I'll make a directory FPGA now. And I'm just going to clone it. What's going on here? I know why. This is because I have not configured my default key. Okay, so the reason this didn't work is because I renamed the default key from the default name to something custom. The reason I do this is because I have my personal account and I have my FPGA Now account. So to fix this, I'm going to create a file called .gitconfig in the root of in my home directory. I'm going to edit that file. Oops, no NeoVim, so let's just use Vim. We'll call it FPGA John repositories. I'm going to say include if git dir FPGA now /*. That's to make it recursive. And I'm going to say path equals home John git config.fpga John. Of course, uncomment. And that's it. Let's do something else in here. Let's set the editor to be NeoVim. Well, Vim, because I haven't installed NeoVim yet. Okay, exit. Now I'm going to create a new file, .gitconfig.fpga John. And it's simple. You just type user email equals John at fpganow.com, name equals FPGA John. Then we have to add this SSH command, which basically tells it to use the specified key. So I'm going to do SSH-I ID ed25519.fpga John -f dev null. Something's being redirected to dev null. I don't know. I forget exactly what that does, but it's okay. Now we're going to clone again, and there you go. Look at that. We got the repository. This is a quite big repository, so I'll pause the video. Okay, so the repo has been cloned. I did mention something about modules. So let me go here. I have the command ready. Just click copy. I think that did not work. I have to check out the remote branch dev. Then I have to run this command. And look, it's going to go through all the subdirectories and clone all the other submodules of the market data proof of concept that I've been working on. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. I'll make another video where I show you how I bootstrap my WSL. Basically, it's like a script that will install certain packages whenever you run it, and it will add certain things to your bash profile, your bash aliases, and my .vim, how I use tmux, and that's all. Thank you.